Condor tayo sa ating 2-bedroom with balcony. Dito sa Serene East Tagaytay. This unit is so spacious. Grabe. So, pagpasok mo, so you can have a foyer here or a cabinet, closet. And here, ito yung ating first toilet and bath. Very spacious. Hindi talaga yung titipid si Avida when it comes to space. And then, here's your actual deliverable ng ating ito, yun yung mga cabinet. So, you have there. Lalagyan mo na lang siya dito ng upgrade. So, you can put here, another here. You can put your ref, or you can have a breakfast bar here. Diyan, very spacious. And you can put your dining here. And so you can put a dining here, and this will be your TV. Yan, your sofa. Ito siya. So let's go to ayan, ito yung balcony. And very, siya, spacious. So, yan. So, grabe, kahit isang long table ilagay mo dito, kasya. Oh? So, if you have a big family, yan. So, kasyang-kasya dito isang malaking long table. And then, you can also have your plants here, your garden, a little garden. Or, yan. So, very, very spacious yung ating balcony or our 2-bedroom. Okay, so now we'll go to our second bedroom. So this is our bedroom number 2. Ayan. So dito hindi natin yung balcony. So with the key. Now let's go to our master's bedroom. So here, ito ating master's bedroom. And so you have a view here and a view here. Yeah. So here what you can see is yung ating tower 3. Lapit natin siya i-turn over this here. And over there, we have very, very few units left na lang sa ating tower 3. Mga 1 bedroom na lang at saka 1 bedroom with balcony. And then, dun, yung tower 4, dun, we can offer you yung mga from studio with balcony, executive studio with balcony, 1 bedroom with balcony, 2 bedroom with balcony, 3 bedroom with balcony. So we have a lot to offer, but that is the last tower na here in Serene. So I advise you to take advantage of that kasi after that, wala na. And so, since this is the master's bedroom, we have here the ensuite. So, here's the ensuite. Very spacious and there you go. So, this is perfect for a big family. Like a group of 8. Yan, 8. Yan, sobrang laki ng space, hindi ka mamamroblema. Okay, thank you.